Welcome back to the Beginner to Advanced Excel series. In today's lesson, we'll be covering basic Excel formulas. You'll learn how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide right in your spreadsheet. Let's start with the basics of entering formulas in Excel. In any cell, start by typing an equal sign, to tell Excel you're entering a formula. For addition, let's say we have two numbers 10 and 15 in cells A2 and B2. To add them, select cell C2 and type equals A2 plus B2. Press Enter, and Excel will give you the sum. For subtraction, the process is very similar. Suppose you want to subtract the value in B3 is 20 from the value in A3 is 10. In cell C3, type equals B3 A3 and press Enter. Excel will show the difference. Now, let's try multiplication. Let's say you have a quantity in A4 is 5 and a price per item in B4 is 20. To find the total cost, go to cell C4 and type equals A4 asterisk B4. Press Enter, and you'll see the product. Finally, let's look at division. If you want to divide the number 100 in A5 by the number 20 in B5, select cell C5 and type equals A5/B5. Press Enter to display the quotient. So to summarize, for addition, use the plus sign, plus symbol. For subtraction, use the minus sign, minus symbol. For multiplication, use the asterisk symbol. For division, use the forward slash symbol. Remember, using cell references like A2, B2, etc., means your formulas will automatically update if you change the numbers in those cells. This feature can save you a lot of time as you work with larger data sets. That's it for our introduction to basic Excel formulas. With these simple operations, you're now equipped to start using Excel for calculations. In our next video, we'll dive into some advanced formulas to further enhance your skills.